Yo, Queen Class, so you all should go follow Gaming Potato Girl because she's almost at 1K. And she makes like really good gacha YouTube videos. Like for example, she just posted like a week ago. She posted a solo meme, and I just watched it, and it's really good. But yeah, she like posts like gacha YouTube videos. Like she posted that one, Can't Say No challenge, and Give Deals, which are gave her deals, and then she like posted like more memes and stuff. And I just think her YouTube channel is like awesome. See, like that was 5 months ago, but you all should really go subscribe to her. She deserves it. And yeah, she just makes awesome videos. I'm gonna put her channel in the description down below, so you guys can go subscribe to her because like she really deserves it. And she makes the best YouTube videos. So I think yeah. So yeah. I'll see you all in my next YouTube video. Bye.